Hi there, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Let's dive right into our word of the day, alcohol. This is a B1 level noun, and it refers to a liquid that is commonly used in drinks or cleaning. It is often intoxicating, which means it can make people feel tipsy or drunk when consumed. In everyday language, alcohol is most frequently used to describe beverages like beer, wine, or spirits that people drink at parties, restaurants, or celebrations. But it can also refer to substances used for cleaning or disinfecting, like rubbing alcohol. Let's talk about some synonyms for alcohol. When we're discussing beverages, words like liquor, spirits, or booze are commonly used. For example, you might hear someone say, "The store sells various types of liquor, including vodka and whiskey." If we're referring to cleaning products, a synonym might be ethanol, as in, you can use ethanol to clean surfaces effectively. Now, for some antonyms. Since alcohol often refers to intoxicating substances, a great antonym would be water or juice, which are non-alcoholic. For example, you might say, "Instead of alcohol, I'll have some orange juice." Another antonym is non-alcoholic, as in, he ordered a non-alcoholic drink at the bar. How can you use alcohol in daily conversations? Here are some examples. Imagine you're planning a party. You might say, "We should buy some alcohol for the guests who enjoy drinks." Or maybe you're in a medical situation and someone asks for disinfectant. "Could you pass me the rubbing alcohol for this cut?" Here are a few more sentence examples. The government is increasing taxes on alcohol to reduce consumption. She avoids alcohol for health reasons. Rubbing alcohol is great for cleaning stains from glass. So, to summarize, alcohol is a versatile word that refers to both intoxicating drinks and cleaning substances. It has synonyms like liquor and ethanol, and antonyms like water and non-alcoholic. You'll find it in conversations about beverages, medical supplies, or cleaning products. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd love for you to create your own sentence using alcohol and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, take care and keep learning.